चल मार.
What is more important, size or stamina?
In guys,
Size of
I think it's this stamina.
I think it's size.
Not in the other sense, but yeah.
The other sense question. I think both.
So it's about stamina because so many girls told me it's about the stamina.
As long as you know what you're doing, stamina is what matters most, because in my opinion, girls take a longer time to orgasm than males. So I think stamina matters more.
Stamina. Obviously, stamina.
Stamina.
Both.
Stamina.
स्टेमिना भाई होना चाहिए. पिल्स इसीलिए तो यूज़ करते हैं. स्टेमिना इज मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट.
I would say both. साइज रह के भी कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे लोग, बहुत लोग रहता. So it's about stamina, not size.
Stamina for boys and size for girls. I mean, girls should be busty and boys should have a good stamina.
Both. Yeah, both.
The size is anywhere 2 inches deep, and there's no nerve cells beneath 2 inches. So size doesn't matter that much. If you have a 2-inch big dick, then you're good to go, buddy.
Stamina, definitely. Definitely.
Stamina.
100%. You only need 4 inches, dude. Because yes, 4 inches can't take count, it's good. But if you don't last more than 5 minutes, what? She'll come on, fist me. She'll say, use your hand.
Is kissing in public is indecent?
No, I don't think so.
No, even I don't think so.
Something that is not comfortable. Like you can kiss in public.
Our country is not that, sociable to accept that.
Obviously, no. You do it. Yeah, obviously.
Yeah, same for me. Not indecent. People should practice it more, I think.
I don't think it's strange. In India you can piss in public, but you can't kiss in public. That's really hypocritical for me.
Yes.
Most of the people, Indian people, they think that it is indecent, but I don't think that is indecent.
No, it's not indecent. I mean, whenever you feel like kissing, go kiss. That's it.
Not anyone.
Arey, kissing in public, not kissing the public. So
It depends on the locality, that's it.
Someone doesn't feel uncomfortable, but kissing, they feel uncomfortable. But according to us, it's not a crime.
If people are okay with that, then others should
If the
not
society
be
is
worried.
comfortable with that, then it's okay. But if not, we should not make people uncomfortable because of us.
it's not indecent, but kind of uncivilized, we can say, as per Indian norms.
It is not indecent. It depends on the perspective again. It might be indecent for him. It might not be indecent for me.
So for you,
It is not.
I don't think that is indecent.
So I don't think it is indecent. I think PDA should be a norm. Yeah.
so you're okay.
Yeah. Perfectly fine with it.
Both in city, in higher places, it's okay. But when we go to the places, according to the villages or something, it's indecent. According to the place, we can.
Being in public is not acceptable for me. Kissing is yes.
हाँ, it depends. अगर मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड नहीं है तो it will bother me. अगर है तो it will not bother me.